Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It is a Yoda head. And yeah, it's got the ears, and it's pretty cool. And here we go. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. And fold in half this way. We're making a water bomb base. Okay, and fold this up like this. And repeat on this side. Okay, and open the pocket, bring it together, and flatten. And there's the water bomb base. Okay, and now take these two corners and fold them to the top. Okay, and turn over and repeat on this side. Okay, and we zoom in. Okay, now rotate like this so the flaps are facing you. And take this edge and this edge and fold them to the middle. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, like this. Now unfold just this side, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of make a petal fold here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna open here and we're gonna reverse fold like this. Okay, and close it like that, and repeat on the side. So open and reverse fold. Alright, now on this side, we actually didn't need to make these two creases. that was actually optional. Okay, well we're going to make this into a water bomb, so we're going to fold these corners to here, like this. Let's do one at a time. And unfold and repeat on this side. Okay, and take these two corners and fold them to the center. Okay, and take these two corners like this and fold them to the center too. Yeah, I just designed this model tonight, so one of those steps is actually optional. Okay, and now fold this like this. We're just making a water bomb. Okay, and now open the pocket like this. And stick the flap in there. And repeat on this side. Alright, and we're just about done. We just need to make the ears. So fold this up so this edge touches this point. And yeah, we're folding on that point too. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay. And now, this is the front side. Let's round the head. So just fold this behind to taste. Alright, and you can round this part off too. The mouth, or the chin. Okay. And now to make the ears kind of stay down more, let's just kind of put a pinch there. And same here too. Just like this, just to taste. And there it is, the Yoda head. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool model. Oh yeah, it spins. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And it can be a flicker too. Okay, see you guys later.